Welcome to Crypto Kickstart. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's on the minds of crypto enthusiasts everywhere, a BingX review. If you're looking to enhance your trading experience, you're in the right place. BingX is quickly becoming a popular platform for traders across the globe. But what sets it apart from other exchanges? Let's break it down. First and foremost, BingX offers a user-friendly interface that makes it easy for both newcomers and experienced traders to navigate. Whether you're buying, selling, or trading, BingX simplifies the process, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, maximizing your profits. But that's not all. One of the standout features of BingX is its innovative social trading option. This allows users to follow and copy the strategies of successful traders. Imagine having the ability to learn from the best in the game while potentially earning at the same time. This unique feature is perfect for those who may not have the time or expertise to trade manually. Now, let's talk about security. BingX prioritizes the safety of its users. With advanced security measures in place, you can have peace of mind knowing that your funds and personal information are well protected. This is especially crucial in the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency. If you're convinced that BingX is the right platform for you, here's an amazing opportunity you shouldn't miss. When you sign up, use the referral code CHUCHU. By doing this, you'll unlock exclusive benefits, including discounts on trading fees and other perks that can enhance your trading journey. There's nothing quite like getting extra value just for making the smart choice to use a referral code. In conclusion, if you're eager to explore a reliable, efficient, and enriching trading platform, give BingX a try. And don't forget to use the referral code CHUCHU during registration. You'll be glad you did. Thank you for tuning in to Crypto Kickstart. We hope this BingX review has provided you with valuable insights. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and reviews that will help you in your crypto trading journey.